Good morning, Saturday. What is it? It's February 16th. Crypto Corner News with Mark, me. So here we are. The Bitcoin news reports in the daily. Cryptocurrency payments, NVIDIA losses, suspended CFD. That's like chief financial director, maybe. Sounds logical so far. In the first edition of the Daily this weekend, we focus on a study estimating that 13% of people have used digital coins for payments. We also look for the latest financial report from NVIDIA indicating losses due to falling demand for chips used in cryptocurrency mining. That's because mining has gone a little bust lately. Lastly, a broker suspends its crypto chief financial director. I'm just guessing, but I don't know. Don't care about his sad story. Let's see. What else we got here? IOTA, all the time in the news. BMW, Bavarian Motor Works, opens its doors for mobility open blockchain initiatives. First European colloquium. Really? That's a word? Okay. Let's see. BMW's Group IT Center in Munich will today, February 15th, yesterday, host the first European colloquium of the Mobility Open Blockchain Initiative. As the car manufacturer delves deeper into the use of blockchain in automotive enterprise. The Mobi was launched less than a year ago by major car manufacturers BMW, General Motors, Ford, and Renault. French company, I think. Or the French don't drive nice cars. Okay, crypto startups are targeting institutional investors, but when will they finally arrive? I say sometime late this year. In case you didn't realize it, during the brutal bear market of 2018, the days of stupid money flowing stupidly into any and every cryptocurrency related project are over. Now it's all about the maturity of the nascent market, and that means institutional investors need to step in. A sentiment not lost on some startup people. Okay, blah blah blah. Tron Ecosystem New Edition, Crypto Dungeons. Okay, what's all that about? According to the recent Medium post published by Tron Arcade, a blockchain-based RPG called Crypto Dungeons is to become the latest hit on the Tron blockchain. Excited to announce our collaboration with Crypto Dungeons, HTTPS blah blah blah, and hashtag crypto gaming Twitter. My goodness. That really just kills the whole story with all that crap there. The announcement was published on February 8th. So, Tron Ecosystem, if you want to look that up, Tron's pretty cheap right now. And just looking at it, I would say it's actually at 2 cents. So there you go. So what else we got? Positive crypto price trend moves VeChain, VET. Okay. As many are likely aware of, the previous 12 months were not particularly friendly to cryptocurrencies. Yes, we just read that in the previous article where it said something about bear market 2018. Yeah. So not friendly last year, and there were two major market crashes since January 2018. However, it could be that investors' wishes are finally coming true, as the market is currently seeing actual gains. While there is still no certainty regarding this behavior, investors are speculating. Really, that's all you can do. Although we do have some nice algorithms to give us some nice buy and sell signals, and we do win more than we lose. So you'll want to check that out probably at some time. So what is next? Mobile gifting platform Switch announces cryptocurrency support. Mobile gifting platform, like gift cards. On February 15th, the Dallas-based mobile gifting company Switch announced it will be accepting cryptocurrencies for payments. Starting next week, instead of using traditional payment processors, Switch users will be able to pay using decentralized digital assets such as Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and etc. I don't think etc. is a coin, but you never know. I'll have to look that up. Etc. is a coin. It's one of those coins that's just like an afterthought. Also read, Bitcoin social contract must be resilient to the whims of all kinds of other shit. All right, enough. Okay, NVIDIA mining chip sales dropped 30% in fourth quarter amid post-crypto excess. Yes, a little mining boom went pop. NVIDIA managed to survive declining cryptocurrency mining chip demand to post total full-year revenue of $11.72 billion. The company forecasts an aggressive rebound for the 2020 fiscal year, but Wall Street analysts say such forecasts are overly optimistic given the lack of significant change in the market. Okay, sales of cryptocurrency mining chips plummet. That's because everyone went overboard and gung-ho on the mining thing and realized it's costing them more than they're making. If you can get a solar-powered mining rig, that might not be so bad. And if they're not running so hot, it wouldn't be so bad for the earth, I guess you could say. So what do we got here? Isn't this a lovely town? Post office in Liechtenstein now sells Bitcoin. Wow. You can buy Bitcoin at the post office. Huh. Okay, the government-owned post office in Liechtenstein has begun offering a cryptocurrency exchange service. Initially, the post office in the capital city of Vaduz, I don't know if I'm saying that right, they will sell Bitcoin with 4 more cryptocurrencies planned. The service is in partnership with Zug-based Vardex Suisse, the operator of the largest crypto ATM network in Switzerland. Okay, that's good. I mean, things are happening, you know. This is the beginning of what's going to become the norm. Okay, SEC obtains preliminary injunction against Blockfest for fraudulent securities offer. Yeah, people, there's always a crook in every industry, you know, and blockchain is just another one added to the list, the latest. When quantum computing comes around, there's going to be some dubious people, shady characters doing some sort of thing in quantum computing. So that's all it is. There's always shady people no matter what you're doing. And the Securities and Exchange Commission has announced a preliminary injunction granted against Blockfest LLC for unlicensed security offer. This overturns a previous court order claiming that the SEC failed to prove that the token was a security. Another court case in June last year, the SEC decreed pretty much every cryptocurrency other than Bitcoin, I'm guessing, is a false thing. I don't know what they're going to say, but I'm not going down that rabbit hole anyway. And what have we got here? What is an ICO? We know that, don't we? An initial coin offering. They can be kind of sketchy, I've heard. I don't know if I'd want to get involved with an ICO. Then, hey, it's up to you personally what you do. What is an ICO? It's an initial coin offering. It's a fundraising strategy in which a blockchain team sells their project's underlying cryptocurrency in exchange for the funds they need to create the platform. Generally, those funds consist of Bitcoin, Ether, or Ethereum, or both. ICOs entered the limelight in 2017, and then the whole thing blew up, and there's 100,000 cryptocurrencies, and probably 90% of them are little more than just some app that nobody will ever use. So, but cryptocurrency is basically just an application to make something happen. And if that idea is good, it can take off. If it's not that great, then it's never going to be. Plus, you got other variables, like are the people actually honest and running the business properly and all that kind of stuff. But that's that. And that's the end of this particular broadcast. But I'd like you to press one of these buttons. And I was mentioning the signals earlier that I'm getting to help create, there's a 100K roadmap to financial freedom that I'm on. And I'm moving around, getting from point A to point B. And all you need to do to find out about it is put your name, your email, and the sign up button there, and you're good to go. You're going to get some information, some videos, and all that good stuff. And for now, I will talk to you soon, probably next Saturday. As always, love to love you. Thanks for listening. See ya.